Hello guys and welcome back. So today guys, I'm taking you to southern part of Nigeria, River State to be precise, and to the Calabari and Ijaw Kingdom. Today I bring to you this special delicacy that is called Onunu. Onunu is so delicious and it is so easy to make. This is not pounded yam. You don't eat it like pounded yam. You use your spoon to eat this. It is normally known by the Calabari Kingdom, the Ijaws and the Okrikas, and they call this Onunu. Guys, sit tight and watch as I make this special delicacy. So guys, on my table you can see everything we need for our Onunu, our special Onunu. So you can see I have here my washed peeled yam. I have onions chopped, tomatoes, pepper, blended, onions inclusive, bouillon cube, salt, and of course our ripe plantain. You have to use ripe plantain. Don't mind the plantain, it's not bad. This is what we need for our Onunu. Then of course we have our catfish, so fresh. You can see how fresh the catfish is. You can use water fish, you can use croaker fish, you can just use any fish that you just prefer. Then of course our palm oil. This is handmade palm oil. The aroma of this oil in my kitchen now is so amazing. I wish you could just perceive it. And that is all we need. Later on I might add 1 or 2 ingredients, but for now this is what we need for our Onunu. So in your pot you add in your water because we are going to be boiling or cooking the yam first. We'll cook the yam until almost done before we now add in the ripe plantain. So you can see the yam is already in the pot boiling. Then you now add some salt for that taste. Cover the pot and then let it cook. So now we are about to make the stew for the Onunu. So in a pan you add in some palm oil. Please, when you are doing this, just try and use a very good palm oil, because if you don't, you are going to spoil your Onunu. So add in some palm oil, allow it to heat up. So guys, the oil is hot now. Then add in your chopped onions. Allow it to fry very well. So when the onions is fried like so, you pour in your blended tomatoes, pepper, and then onions. Then you allow it to cook so that the water will go down. So guys, this is after 10 minutes the tomatoes have been cooking. I allow it to cook very well, so you can see how dry it is now. So at this point I'll add the other ingredients. So I'll add in some salt, I'll add in bouillon cube, then I'll add in some crayfish because I want it to taste very well. Just adding some crayfish. The first time I saw this food, I was like, what is this? But when I tasted it, man, it was so heavenly. So at this time, I'll bring in my seasoned catfish. And then at this point, you have to lower the heat so it can cook gradually, because you don't want the fish to scatter. So you just reduce the heat and you just start cooking gradually. Like I said before, you can use any fish of your choice. Nowadays people even use meat for this, but the original recipe for this is water fish or any good fish. So I'll cover the pot now and let it keep cooking. So guys, I've come to check the yam. I want it to be almost cooked before I add in the plantain. You know the plantain will not take so much time to cook because it's already so soft. So this is almost 80% cooked, so I'll now add in the plantain. You know, cover the pot again and let it do the final cooking. So my people, you can see how the stew is just cooking gently, slowly. You have to lower the heat so that the fish will get cooked very well. That it is now, everything here is so okay. I'll just add in some vegetable, though it is optional. I just want to spice it up a little. And guys, our onunu stew is ready. So we can now go over to the yam and the plantain so we can start pounding. At this point, guys, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. And guys, if you have not followed me or subscribed to my channel, please do, and then please keep sharing so you can get more of these delicacies. So I'll turn off the heat now, then I'll go over to check on our yam. So my people, you can see the yam is already cooked. I brought out my mortar and pestle. I'm going to pound now. I'll pound, and when it is smooth a bit, I will now add in the plantain. You can use your food processor for this, but I tell you, pounding with the mortar is the main thing. You get the real taste of your onunu. So because it's in small quantity, I'm using my small mortar and pestle. But if you are doing large quantity, you can now use a big mortar for this. Guys, this delicacy is what they use to entertain people in the Calabari Kingdom. And if you go to a party, you see them rushing this. The first time I saw this, I was like, what are they pounding? Yam and plantain together. How will this taste? But when I tasted this, boy, I was so hooked that if I go to any occasion in River State and they have this, that is what I go for. This is not pounded yam, it's not pounded yam. You use your spoon to eat this. People will think that it's pounded yam, but it's not pounded yam. So you pound and pound. You know, I added some salt in this for taste. You can add salt or you can add pepper if you want it to be more flavorful, but I just added only salt to this. So just keep on pounding until it is smooth. So you can see the yam is almost 80% okay. So at this point, I'll bring in the cooked plantain and I'll add in our palm oil. Like I said, if you use a bad oil for this, then you don't get what you want. So I'm using handmade oil for this. So now I'll pound very well until it is so smooth. Man, the aroma of this my oil, oh boy, I wish you can just perceive it here. It's bursting my kitchen. So you pound until they are well combined, and then your onunu is ready. This is what the riverine people of eastern part of Nigeria, this is what they enjoy. You have to mix very well. So you can see I'm done pounding the onunu. So you can serve directly, but for you to make it more presentable, get your cellophane or your cling film and then wrap like I'm wrapping like this. Then it can shape very well. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. You can see how smooth it is in there. But you can, on the other hand, just serve like this. just serve like this. But most times I like to serve it in the cellophane like this. So at this point, guys, you cannot get your sauce or your stew, then you can serve and enjoy. So this is what we have, guys. So guys, get ready with me. Let us take our Onunu. If you are from Rivers State, just give me a pass mark. Like I said earlier on, this is not pounded yam, this is Onunu, and you use spoon to eat it. Though some people use their hand to eat this, but you use your spoon for this. So guys, let us eat our Onunu. It's so delicious. So delicious. Have you ever taken plantain and yam pounded together? No, this is our Onunu from southern part of Nigeria, Rivers State to be precise. So guys, if I've watched up to this moment, I say thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next. Bye bye.